friends! Today, yes, we're going to play a very cool game about Halloween. Let me present you the thermometer of fear! Yes, we are in Halloween! This thermometer is very special because it has 3 levels. The yellow one is going to show us cute characters of Halloween, okay? Non-scary. The orange one is going to show us scarier characters. And the red one is like the scariest of all. I want to see them, okay? So let's play. Oh! Okay, we start from the bottom, from the yellow level. So what is the cutest or the cute character you're going to show us? Thermometer, come on, let's go. Nice! What is it? Cute, right? She's the cutest. She's a ballet dancer, a ballerina. And of course, she's not scary at all. She's the sweetest and the cutest. I really like her. Come on, show me another character. Whoa! Okay, now in the middle. Great. So come on, show me a scarier character. Oh, what a fright. What is it? Can you see? I don't like it, but I can hold it. It's a ghost. It's a bit scarier. Yeah, it's a bit scarier, right? But it's not like super scary. Okay, let's see what's up there. Come on. Whoa! No! I don't like it. What is it? It's a monster. I told you, I don't like monsters. I think the monsters are the scariest characters of all. But, oh wow! And what about those two? Okay, I guess that we have to put them in order. A pirate and a vampire. So, from you and from me, who is the scariest? I think the pirate is not a scary character. I'm going to put the pirate between the ballerina and the ghost. The pirate is a bit scarier than the ballerina, but it's less scarier than the ghost. And the vampire for me, guys? The vampire is a bit scarier than the monster, but it's for sure scarier than the ghost. I don't like them. Oh.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, so let's go and do this exercise together. The last one about the adjectives comparatives. And remember, ER at the end of the word or more for words than more than 1, 2, and 3 syllables, okay? So here we have this beautiful thermometer with different costumes, a ghost, a ballerina, a pirate, and a monster. We have the words cute and scary. So we need to see which one is cuter or scarier than the other one. Let's go. The ballerina is than the ghost. So it's cuter. It's cuter than the ghost, right? Then the ghost is than the ballerina. The ghost is scarier. So we need to build the comparative ending ER at the end. Well done. The pirate is a bit cuter than the ghost because in the thermometer is here, it's pointing lower. So it's a bit cuter. Well done. And then the monster is scarier. Yes, the monster is scarier than the ghost. And actually the scariest. Well done.
And then let's go for the last one. The pirate is a bit scarier than the ballerina. Well done. So remember, okay, in this case we have these adjectives scary, and we needed to transform it, changing the Y into I and adding ER. And cute is already a one syllable, and we just need to add the R because the E is already here. Good job, guys. Let's keep learning.